Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to show how to convert a Bambu Lab A1 printer into a pen plotter. This is Maker World website where I'm going to search for my pen plotter model, and you can see there are various types of pen plotter. This is the model which I am going to choose. It does not require any kind of other elements like screws to attach the holder into the printer, and I will link it to the description of the video. As you can see, this model comes with 4 parts. One is the attachment, all other are pen holders with different sizes. I will prefer medium one. This is the attachment. We are going to attach this to the printer and it will hold the pen holder. But before use, we have to remove its supports, which are easily removable by hand, or you can use tools such as flush cutters. I will choose hands. Now let's print second part of the model, which is the real pen holder. Now let's join both parts of the models, which can be connected through snap fit joints, and this is the real beauty of this model. Then we have to remove this from our printer. Remove it cautiously, otherwise it can be broke. And finally attach this model to the printer and pull pen into it. Then tight the screws for better tightness. But don't forget that pen should be little lower than the nozzle. This is the main part. This is the sketch profile we need to get before writing. You can download it too from Maker World. I will link it to the description. You can see the drawing is above the plate because if we get it down, then the nozzle will touch to the bed and everything will ruin down. Before started writing, please check flow ratio is 0. Otherwise the filament will come from the nozzle and you will not able to write. Also note that you cannot remove the filament from the printer because the printer will not work then. Use magnets or paper clippers so that paper can be held down to the bed. I am using 20mm magnets because I had that. But you can use any size of magnets. Hooray, now you can see our printer started sketching. Let's wait for the results. And if you find this video interesting, then subscribe to the channel and follow Variation Global on Instagram. This is the result I get. You can make it better.